Let's learn how to enable or disable incognito mode on YouTube. If you want to turn on this mode but don't know how, you don't have to struggle anymore. Because after watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is make sure your YouTube app is updated. Once you're sure, we can continue. The first thing you need to do is open the YouTube app. When you've opened YouTube, make sure you're logged into the correct account. When YouTube is open, you'll be on the home page, but you don't need to be there. You need to be on the page with more information about your channel. This page will open when you click on the U option, located in the bottom right corner of the screen. When that page opens, above your watch history, you'll have some options. You need to scroll through those options, and when you do, you need to click on Turn on Incognito. When you click that, incognito mode will be turned on. And now, to turn it off, you need to click on the U option located in the bottom right corner. When you click that, a page will open where you need to click on Turn off Incognito, and that's it. That was a tutorial on how to enable or disable incognito mode on YouTube. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.